All right. So yesterday I had a watch show up in the mail. At the time I had my brother and his family over. It was the long weekend and I resisted the urge. I was this close to opening it, but I wanted to save the watch for an unboxing video. I think this one deserves two videos, an unboxing and a follow-up video in a few days. The watch has a whole lot of neat things going for it. First of all, it takes heavy design cues from the 60s and 70s. It's an automatic chronograph made in Japan and using a Japanese movement that I have no experience with. This is my first time handling this particular movement. So that whole combination of things really gets me excited. When the company Soldat watches reached out to me just last week, I was immediately drawn to the watches, especially the color option that I ended up choosing. Full disclosure, this watch was gifted to the channel for free. I don't have to return the watch, and I just want to be completely transparent with you guys. But let's switch things up. We'll crack this baby open and check out the watch. And here we go. This is quite a large package, so we have the camera zoomed out quite a ways, and I might have to readjust once we get into it here, but oh boy. This is very well bubble wrapped. Let's see here. There we go. Well, I have lots of bubble wrap now for when I'm shipping watches onto different reviewers and stuff, so that's good. I believe this has some pretty nice packaging to this watch. See, there's Soldat. This is just an outer cardboard. Ooh. Oh, I'm not going to show you yet because there's going to be a picture of the watch on this paperwork. I'm going to keep the suspense alive here for a minute. Warranty card. There's the model of the watch. I'm not sure if you can make that out. Promessa. So it's the Soldat Promessa. I am going to clean up the mess and then we'll take a look at the watch. And here we go. First of all, this is, I believe this is actually lacquered wood, the inner box here, according to the site. And there it is. Check out that. That is beautiful. See if there's anything underneath. Nope. Move that out of the way. And focus. Isn't that a beautiful watch? I love the color. So this model is called the Promessa Green 49. It's named after the Lotus 49, which was an F1 car from the 67 F1 season. Give it a little wind here. Push-pull crown. Start up this chronograph. Wow. This is so nice. So the movement is the Seiko NE88 automatic column wheel chronograph movement. The movement came out, I believe, in 2014. The watch is going for $1250 USD. I think there's two models that are $1250 USD. There's another color that has a NATO, and that is, I think, 1150 USD. I'll go through all of those details here in a future video very soon. I wanted to just do a quick little unboxing. Zoom in and show you guys the dial a bit closer here. And yeah, that looks awesome. Beautiful watch. It's a 42 millimeter case, according to their website, and I believe 50 millimeter lug to lug, and right around 14 millimeters in height. But we'll go through all of that in the full video. See, we've got drilled lugs there. Love the strap combination for it too. All right, so I think I'll give you guys a quick wrist shot, then we will close out the video. And here it is on my 7¼ inch wrist. Loving that strap combo. And I'm just noticing the little details on the buckle there too. That's kind of cool. The dial, I will say, I'm just looking through the viewfinder on my camera, and I think it's a little bit more vibrant than that in person, but I will try to capture that a little bit better on the next video on the watch. Couple of things on the company. One, although the watches are made in Japan, they are based out of Indonesia. Now, the company Soldat did give us a discount code for 15% off. The code is TimeToGo 2022. I earn absolutely nothing from that. That was just something that they decided to offer you guys, which was really nice of them. Thanks again to Soldat for getting this one out to me. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.